Some Roses. Okay, palapak mo na para kay Offer.
Loving can hurt.
Okay, then next.
Loving can hurt sometimes. But it's
Okay.
the
Palapak naman para sa kanilang dalawa. Di ba kayo nagkasundo sa step, ha? Yan.
when it gets hard. You know it can get hard sometimes. It is the only
Alright, so palapak para kay Kuya Offer sa our birthday celebrant. Jana, and now sa niyo for Kuya Conrad.
We keep this love in a photograph. We make these memories for ourselves. When our eyes are never closing, hearts are never broken.
One more.
Time's forever frozen still.
Okay, then next.
So you can keep me inside the pocket of
Yes, palapak para kay Kuya Conrad together on our birthday celebrant. Jana.
you won't ever be alone. Wait for me to come home. Loving can heal. Loving can
months of our 7 roses kay Nanay and Daddy Jonathan. Palabak para kay Daddy! Okay, picture. Okay, then dance. Wala pa tayong palapaka para kay Daddy Jonathan to go on our birthday celebrant, Jana. Okay, buhatin mo, sir. Kaya kasi pag nag-18 na, hindi mo na mabubuhat yan. Buhatin mo siya, sir.